Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Equinox headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure the replacement bulb matches your vehicle's specifications. Park your Equinox on a flat, stable surface and turn off the engine. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vehicle is cool before you begin working on the headlight assembly. Now, let's get to the headlight. Open your hood and find the two 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but a steady pull will release it, giving you clear access to the bulb housing at the back. With the assembly out, you can now replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. Next, grasp the old bulb and rotate it counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn to release it from its housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. Now, insert your new bulb, ensuring you do not touch the glass, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely in position. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original slot in the vehicle. It should fit snugly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.